the Indian Nurse YouTube channel. In this episode,
I'll be dealing with microbiology subject, Unit 5th, Immunity. If you are not subscribed with the channel, please subscribe the channel, and for more nursing educational videos, please press bell icon.
let's start.
We'll see the short answers. Define immunity. Immunity refers to the resistance exhibited by the host towards the injury caused by microorganisms and their products. Types of immunity: innate or native immunity, acquired or adaptive immunity. So you have to write this much for the immunity. Next question. Define active immunity. Resistance developed by an individual as a result of an antigenic stimulus. Types of active immunity: mainly there are two types: natural active immunity, second one artificial active immunity. Next question. Define antigen. Any substance which, when introduced parenterally into the body, stimulates the production of an antibody with which it reacts specifically and in an observable manner. Types of antigen: complete antigen and incomplete immunogen are also called as haptens. Next question. Mention 4 types of immunoglobulin. First we'll see meaning. Immunoglobulin, also known as antibodies, are glycoprotein molecules produced by plasma cells. Types of immunoglobulin or antibodies: IgG, IgA, IgM, IgD and IgE. IgG molecule have gamma chain, IgA have alpha chain, IgM have mu chains, IgE have epsilon chain, IgD have delta chain. So this is about 4 types of immunoglobulin. Mention 2 uses of immunofluorescence. Immunofluorescence is a technique for determining the location of an antigen in tissue by reaction with an antibody labeled with the fluorescence dye. Uses of immunofluorescence: direct immunofluorescence and indirect immunofluorescence. In direct immunofluorescence are used to identify antigen group A streptococci, to diagnose bacteria, virus and other antigens, and to diagnose rabies virus. Indirect immunofluorescence are mainly used to diagnosis of syphilis. So this is about uses of immunofluorescence. Next question. Mention 2 uses of ELISA test. The enzyme linked immunosorbent assay is also known as ELISA, is a biochemical technique that uses antibodies and color change to identify the substance. Uses of ELISA test: it is commonly used laboratory test to detect antibodies in the blood. ELISA is highly specific and sensitive. ELISA can be used to verify of infection. No radiation hazards occur during labeling or disposal of waste. So these were the uses of ELISA test. Next question. Name 2 live vaccine. Live attenuated vaccines are MMR vaccines, that is a measles, mumps, rubella vaccine, smallpox vaccine, yellow fever vaccine, OPV, oral polio vaccine. So these were the 2 live vaccines.